Understanding colon of time in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English language phrase, colon of time. This expression might sound complex, but it's a useful concept in both written and spoken English. Let's explore what it means and see how it can enhance your language skills. A colon of time refers to a specific way of expressing time in English. It's the punctuation mark, smiley face, used between hours and minutes when writing time. For instance, 8:30, read as 8:30, is an example of a colon of time in use. This format is standard in English and is essential for clear communication about time. In everyday conversation and writing, the colon of time is omnipresent. Whether you're scheduling meetings, making plans with friends, or discussing past or future events, this format is crucial. It's not just formal, it's used in casual settings as well. Understanding and using it correctly ensures effective communication about time-related matters. A common error learners make is confusing the colon with other punctuation marks, like the period or comma. Remember, for time, it's always a colon. 10:45, not 10.45 or 10:45. Also, ensure you're reading the time correctly. For 15:20, say 3:20, and not 15:20, as the 24-hour clock often confuses learners. Let's practice with a few examples. Correct. The train departs at 9:30. Incorrect. The train departs at 9:30. By practicing with more examples, you'll become more comfortable using the colon of time in various contexts. I hope this video clarifies the concept of the colon of time and its importance in English. Remember, it's a simple yet vital part of conveying time accurately. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.